Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Skyrim in windowed mode. First, launch the game and navigate to the options menu. This method is perfect for those who want to quickly switch between Skyrim and other tasks, like browsing the web or chatting with friends. It offers greater flexibility than full-screen mode, letting you manage your desktop space efficiently. We will cover both basic and advanced techniques to ensure a smooth experience. To begin, open the Skyrim launcher that appears before the game starts. Click on the Options button, usually found near the bottom. Within the Options menu, you will see a checkbox labeled Windowed Mode. Simply click this box to enable it. For an even smoother look, consider also checking the borderless window option, which removes the window frame, making it appear almost full screen while still allowing easy alt-tabbing. Remember to click OK to save your changes. For more control, you can edit the Skyrim prefs. In iFile, typically found in your Documents My Games Skyrim folder, open it with Notepad. Find the lines Be Full Screen equals 1 and change the value to 0. You can also set Be Borderless equals 1 for a borderless experience. To customize the window size, locate iSize H and iSize W and input your desired height and width, for example, 1080 by 1920. Save the file before launching the game. To optimize your windowed gameplay, consider matching your desktop resolution to the game's window size for a crisp display. If you encounter any visual glitches or performance drops, try slightly reducing some in-game graphics settings. For those seeking even more precise control over window placement and sizing, several community-made tools are available that can enhance your borderless window experience. Experiment with these options to find the perfect setup for your gaming and multitasking needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.